Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at the perspective crop tool. So a lot of times you might get a photograph like this. It's a picture of a picture and you want to crop out the background, but also in the process straighten out the image. So sometimes you can photograph something a little bit crooked, and there's a tool that will actually automate this fix. So if I get the regular crop tool, which is right here, you can see the problem with this is if I try to crop in, I would have to cut off a lot of space because this image is photographed at an angle and possibly a little bit crooked, and I don't want to lose this much of the image. So I'm going to undo that, and instead I'm going to hold down the crop tool and go to the perspective crop tool. And the perspective crop tool, I like to just select the whole thing, and then we have these bounding boxes here which I can drag and put them on the corners of our image, just like this, all four corners, making sure that there's nothing over the image here, and I'm going to press return. And when I press return, the perspective tool takes into account the crookedness and the angle of the photograph and straightens it out for us. So this is a great way of saving a little bit of time cropping a crooked image. Good luck and give it a try.